Hey out there YouTube, this is Derek with Love Your Home here, and today I'm just reviewing Gallery Series by Sherwin Williams. It's a brand new cabinet millwork paint. It's supposedly kind of like a 2K poly. It's labeled as a 1K. Yeah, I'm doing it right now. I was told you can't brush and roll it, but that's false. I'm brushing and rolling right now, and it comes out really nice. It is really thin, so I can see why they would they label it as only being sprayable. And I tried it out on some old shiplap that I had in the garage first, just to make sure I wasn't getting into something I didn't want to get into. That's kind of hard to see. It is thin. I'm going over some old emerald that I did here a couple of years ago. Just wanted to change the color in my house, but yeah, no, it's definitely doable for brushing and rolling. It goes far. It looks like it dries pretty nice. As far as durability, I've already tried that out, and it's really freaking durable after like an hour even. So sorry guys, let's see. But yeah, as you can see, it's just fine. You do have to, you know, be a little more careful with it. It's really thin stuff. It almost kind of feels like I'm putting on like an oil-based stain. Probably more like a lacquer, which I've never sprayed, or I've never brushed and rolled a lacquer before. So, but yeah, you can get a really nice looking finish just by using this. I'm just using the Sherwin Williams brand 1/2-inch microfiber mini rollers. I usually like 3/8 for cabinetry, but they were out of those, so 1/2-inch will have to do. And I'm going to spray the doors and just brush and roll the frames. I don't want to have to cover the whole kitchen right now, and it doesn't really matter because this is my house and I can do what I want to do. And I just wanted to kind of check it out as well and see what this is all about, and so far I'm liking it. So I'll show you the end result here soon. Alright, just a quick update. Finished brushing and rolling the island and everything, and now I'm spraying the doors. This stuff sprays amazing. I love it. It brushes and rolls pretty good if you know what you're doing. If you're inexperienced, I would not advise it. It's a little bit more difficult than Advanced from Benjamin Moore or Emerald from Sherwin. But overall, it's a super nice product. It's super, super hard, like instantly like hard. It feels like factory finished. Definitely feels more like lacquer, but I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 as far as right now, and I'll let you know once I get everything back together and final results, what the final result is. All right, and here's the final review of the Gallery series. So I sprayed it, put it all back together. I brushed and rolled the frames and the boxes, and I did all this yesterday, put it all back together in one day. It comes out really nice brushing and rolling, and it looks like a factory finish when you spray it. So you can brush and roll it if you want to. I wouldn't advise it if you're a homeowner, and I guess homeowners can't buy it anyways because it's only meant for contractors, this is being what I'm told. But yeah, it's super hard. I tried scratching it. It does not scratch very easy, and I'm sure it just gets harder and harder the longer that it's set on there. So I would give this a solid 9.5 out of 10. There's really nothing that I didn't like about it. So dries fast and looks great.